April 3rd, 2019, 7:13 a.m. Doing a sky view. There's been no sun. You would think with that little gap that you would have got a sunrise. No such thing. This was touching the horizon earlier, about 6:30 this morning, right when it was supposed to come up. So that was down here touching. It slowly moved, and now it's like the sun's right behind it, up top. But what's weird is I'm going to zoom in and show you guys, there's like rays, like light rays, like it was from the evening, from here going up to those clouds. So everybody be safe out there, and peace out. Alright, back. April 3rd, 2019, it's 7:15 a.m. Yeah, see the lines coming off, just bouncing up into the cloudage. Oh, it's supposed to be clouds. This stuff is acting so weird that I have never seen anything like it. It's just crazy. Nothing like this before. It's like the sun should be coming up, but it already did a half hour ago. And when it did, what you guys see right here was touching the tops of the trees, so you couldn't see no sunlight. It was just like a brilliant ball like this orange right here. Pardon me. So, this is what's supposed to be the sunrise, but I'm getting reflection. I guess, hey bird, don't land on me. What I'm guessing is the only logical explanation would be the sun is hitting the snow on the mountains, and it's bouncing up and showing rays like it would from yesterday. What happened yesterday? I wonder if I can get any mountains. Yeah, I'm only 50% zoom, so I'm not really able to get the snow on the mountains. I can do that here in a minute. But that's kind of what happened yesterday over here to the west. When the sun went down, it shot a beam of light up, and yet there's mountains right in front of where the sun went down. So my theory on that one is because that's the Bay Area, the sun is hitting the water. It reflects off the water, and then it comes back up and it hits the clouds. So that's pretty much what we got going on right there. So just like a quick horizontal view. Oops, that's what I get. Not paying attention. More worried about staring at the sky. Alright, so there is no sunrise. It's totally blocked out, and pretty much when the sun rose, the clouds just are following up with the sun, which I've been noticing this a lot. So yeah, I understand I'm facing east, and that's the way that the earth rotates. So if there's no wind or pressure, it's just stalling out. It's the way it's going to be. I get it. Alright everybody, have a good one. Be safe out there. Peace out. This is just a quick drop in. I just wanted to see if I could see the mountains and maybe get some snow. Right towards there is Sonora Mountains. Sierra Nevada, but that Sonora's that direction to the northeast. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. It's supposed to be full of snow, but you see a little bit right there. That's about it. So yeah, alright, just gonna add that in. Thought it looked pretty cool. Love seeing that kind of stuff. Not a lot of rain. Alright, still got them rays, so it must be bouncing off the snow on the mountains over here to the east. And then reflecting up underneath this canopy. Alright, everybody be safe. Peace out.